How to double your SEO traffic. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can double your SEO traffic for your website and your store that you've created online. So let's get started. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and today I will show you how you can work on your SEO for your business that you've created online. Working on SEO and building your SEO and improving your SEO traffic is an important factor when it comes to running an online website or any kind of business. So I will show you how you can work on that, what are the different free tools that you can use if you have a WordPress website or if you have any kind of other blog that you have created. So let's get into it. I have actually opened up my WordPress website, and this is my dashboard for my WordPress website. And then I have also opened up my blog that I have actually created. Let me actually show you the blog as well. So this is, our dashboard on Blogger. And similarly, I have also opened a few of the other different applications that I will be showing you today. Let's move on to our WordPress first. You can create a website, and WordPress is one of the famous website builders, helps us add different plugins. So how to double your SEO? The first thing is going to be working on your keywords and actually making a content that lands higher in your search results. Whenever somebody will search on Google, we want our website to be there. So for that, we'll have to work on the keyword research, and we will have to get a tool in order to add it to our WordPress website or to our blogger.com. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I will actually take you to the plugins available on WordPress, and these are open plugins. You can also search them on Google as well. Let's go to plugin section right here, and I'm going to click on add new. Let me show you that how many different applications and softwares there are available out there that help you increase your SEO and work on your SEO specifically. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit. There you go. We have this keyword search, and I'm just going to type in SEO. Okay, let's search for it, and it will show me all the results that are available. So first of all, we have Yoast SEO. This is the SEO tool that I personally use, and you can see I have installed it in my WordPress website. It will help me work on my optimization, help me get the right keywords that I want. It will help me get the results. It will give me the results from all over the world. I will be able to check that from where I am getting my audience and what are the keywords that I should go for, what are my trending topics, what topic did not do well, and what I should work on. So this is really important. Similarly, if I scroll down, we have RankMath. RankMath is another SEO tool that you can go for, and it will help you increase your SEO traffic. With RankMath, you can see this one has 5 million active installation, and this one has 1 million active installation. Again, I'm showing you this on WordPress because I personally have a WordPress website. You can go to Google and you can search for any of these tools. For example, we have Yoast. So you can see Yoast SEO for everyone. So it's not just for WordPress. You can get your own Yoast, and then you can add it to your Shopify, to your WooCommerce. You can add it to your Blogger. This is an open SEO platform that will help you work on your SEO. It will help you get the right SEO words. You will be able to optimize your Google News. You will be able to optimize your online shop, improve your videos, and optimize your website overall. Similarly, we have RankMath. You can go to rankmath.com, add it to your website wherever you're using. You can also add it to your social media. These are available as integrations. So we can not only increase our SEO traffic for our websites and our business, we can also increase and improve SEO for our social media, such as Facebook, Google, Bing, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram. So you can use it for any of the different platforms. Similarly, we can add them to our blogger.com too. So that's like the first thing. You can go for different SEO tools. Similarly, we have SEO Builder, one of the best overall platform out there to help you build backlinks, to help you get your own profiles, to help you work on your Google optimization, to help you rank your website higher. You can log in or get started with SEO Builder. You can also get guest posts to work on your SEO with SEO Builder. So that's the first thing that we do. get help from any of the SEO building platform, and it's one of the most effective ways when it comes to doubling our traffic. You will get more traffic to your website that you have created. Second thing that we can do is you don't need any help from anyone. You just have to create backlinks. That's really important. And on if I go to my blogger.com and if I create a new post, let's open it up. There you go. So I'm creating a new blog on blogger.com. First thing what I can do is, of course, I just showed you, I can search on the keywords and I can work on those keywords so that my post that I'm going to create right here, my title, is SEO friendly. SEO friendly content is the first step. Second thing, you can see if I scroll down, we have permalinks right here, and we can get our own links and we can create our custom links from here. If I publish a blog that I have right here and go to settings, in settings, we can work on the backlinks. You can see right here. Redirect URLs. Then we have links, backlinks. We have redirectors that we can add to our blog. So this is like a simple way. If you're using any of the platform, you can just create backlinks that will get to your different platforms. We add links to our content and we get more SEO and we get more traffic by bringing more people and redirecting them to our blogs and to our websites. Then we have another way that we can work on our SEO, and that is bringing traffic from social media. That's what we also do. And when it comes to doubling our SEO traffic, what you can do is you can add links to your social media. And we also have like different platforms and plugins available on WordPress. We can again add integrations. Any of these different platforms, as I showed you before, are available with social media as well. And we can add redirecting links in our social media post, and that can bring traffic to our website, and it will help us work on the SEO. The more traffic we get, our SEO improves with more views, with more likes, with more comments, and we can work on our SEO very easily, and we can do search engine optimization. For example, Pinterest really helps us increase our SEO, work on SEO. Facebook really helps us increase our SEO, Instagram. So these are the different social media that you can use. Then there are different things. These are the things that we usually do. I have personally added these plugins, used these plugins in order to improve my SEO, and it is effective method. It works, of course, for any of the business, and it will help you increase your SEO and land your website, your business higher in the search results. Similarly, it will also help you improve and grow your business if you're looking to create an online business. And if you have monetized your blog, if you have monetized your website or your business, you will be making more money once your SEO increases. And then we also have like simple methods to increase the SEO. Work on your content, make sure it's SEO friendly content, add the keywords. You can use different keyword research tools such as Google keyword research tool. We have one, and that's for completely free. And again, these different platforms will also help you get the keyword research tool. You can work on the consistency of your post and content. It will really help you double your SEO traffic. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to double your SEO traffic. You can use different platforms available out there for free. If you are using WordPress, you can add different plugins. You can add and search for different platforms out there such as Yoast. We have RankMath, SEO Builder. You can work on your content, create backlinks, and run a successful business online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.